Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment you can trust. Here we have the GMC HPB-4504 CNC 70-ton press brake with 2-axis ESA Control Model 625. This is a Taiwan quality machine and is our premier press brake designed in the USA. With its rugged steel framework, quality hydraulic and electronic components makes this press brake a great addition to any shop. The ESA 625 offers a vast tooling library. On-screen and offline software programming allows for thousands of tooling programs to be saved. On-the-fly program corrections will save precious production time. The touchscreen control can store thousands of production programs with up to 80 steps per program. Remote CNC factory support is available. The 7006 comes standard with segmented quick-release punch holders, American style, full-length gooseneck punch, 7-way full-length lower V-die, and quick-release front sheet supports. Standard safety features include Lintec light curtain system, rear and side safety fences, pedestal and control console mounted e-stops to meet OSHA safety standards. The HPB-4504 has a 24-inch back gauge, 10-inch throat depth, and is backed by a 1-year parts-only warranty. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of machines that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you don't have to worry about production downtime. We also have other models available, such as 45-ton, 55-ton, 110-ton, 135-ton, and 175-ton. We also offer an upgraded 2D graphic controller. In addition, we can order custom tooling. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a quote, please give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.